So, sir, actually, doctor, in one of your lectures, you have said that there are 25 verses of Quran rejecting wasila. So, yes. So what I said was, in the email what I wrote, that all those 25 verses which you have referred to, first of all, in that lecture you have not referred to the verses particularly. So I replied, there are verses related to kuffar also, not to seek wasila. And for the Muslims to seek wasila, there are some verses. So for that I didn't get any reply. So simple question is, what are those 25 verses of Quran which rejects wasila for the believers to seek wasila? Sure. Even 4 years before I met in your with my
out of 25 verses, 2 verses says, to whom Allah gives the permission on the day of judgment.
So that is not wasila, sir. That is about shafaat. I am talking about wasila first, because you referred to the wasila, sir. And when you said about the card, I gave you 4 years back when I met you in flight from Jeddah to Bombay. You said you will reply, but that was also not answered. So I was just wondering, when you are coming, I can talk to you directly and get information. I hope I will get a reply.
I don't remember when you said, but
at that time I spoke to you about following 4 imams. Yeah, my email is there. Yes.
Verse of the Quran?
What are the 25 verses of Quran which says the Muslims cannot seek wasila? Clear? What are those 25 verses of Quran which rejects wasila for the believers? And that's all from my side. Also, doctor, the letter which I have given you is a request. It's just a humble request. Whether you can go through it and give us the time and a date when you are free to have a discussion.
I have already 100,000 people in the queue.
No problem.
If I have to wait in the queue,